New meeting. Hello.
Hi, Lena.
Hey, Tracy. Hey, Kevin.
Yeah, Norbert is our community manager of Telegram.
Yes,
And,
yeah, he is here. He's just joining, yes.
okay. So I'm asking him to invite more members to set up the DAC here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So,
So
you're recording this, right?
Yeah, I'm recording this, yes. Do you
Okay,
want
okay.
to do live stream or no?
I think we can distribute the video later, right?
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so can I share my screen?
Yes, you can.
You all can see this, right?
Just for the introduction.
Yeah.
Right. So this meeting is about working.
So Tracy is offline?
Yeah, Tracy's here.
Okay.
Tracy's here. Norbert is here.
Oh.
So this meeting is about walking everyone through the proof of concept Metis lab, right? So Metis protocol, and to show how to create a decentralized autonomous company, which is organization that can be managed in a decentralized way. And Kevin Liu, the leader of the Metis protocol, is going to be presenting.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, this is a system we built on our testnet. So this is for managing collaborations, no matter it is within your team or among some people that you even don't know. You can all use this system to manage the collaborations among each other. So let me go through some key steps how to build up your decentralized autonomous company, and then how to assign tasks. Another function is how to share knowledge among the teams. So let me start. For first-time users, actually you can sign up here. Just enter your email address and password, press sign up, and you will get an email to tell you that you already registered. So now I will use the existing account to log in. So when you log in here, this is the portal page to show all the decentralized autonomous company we call DAC. All the DACs here. We have our own DAC, Metis Lab, and also CryptoChicks, and also many other test DAC here. As a decentralized company, it's pretty similar to centralized one. You will have your own account and your address. But this time, this address is a wallet address on Ethereum. And this account is like your balance in your bank account. So this is how many tokens you have. You can easily transfer token to your community members or team members. And here is a recording of who you're collaborating with. so in the future, if there's some disputes happening, you can always come here to apply for arbitration. And all when this collaboration is done, is finished, you can quit the collaboration. And so the there's some staking bonds will be returned to you. So this is like the profile page for each decentralized autonomous company. And then I will show you how to create your first deck here. So it's very simple. It's just like you click here, input, let me test one. It's test deck. And you can always upload your logo here. I'm skipping this step. Press create. And you're about to create this DAC. You only need to activate it. And the reason why you need to activate is that it's a commitment that you're not playing this for fun, or just create it and leave it here. It's a commitment, so you need to stake some tokens to show you commitment. Let me stake 100 here and activate it. Okay, now you have created your deck here. So this is the homepage for your deck. Since I have created many decks, so there's some timeline related to my past tasks or behaviors. But if you're new here, this timeline will be absent. There's no counting here. But you can easily find your team members, and in the future, when you conducted a lot of collaborations, you can find the timeline, at what time you did what kind of stuff. And this is all the, this is not only you, it's included, it will include your team members' collaboration and timeline. So this is a homepage for your deck. You can see the name, balance, and members here. And now let me show you how to do your first task assignment. Just click here. You can click publish new task. Let's say test tasks for just test task, and deadline is end of this week. And then you need to stake some incentives here to encourage your community members or team members to do it. So let me still stake 100 here. Okay. Now it's done. And in the public task column, you will find this item, and status set is to be activated. So you can first, as a task publisher, you can edit the task statement to let your community members know what's the goals, deadline, and what's the requirement. Of the deliverables or other stuff you hope to record here, and then you can submit. Okay, so it will show here all these tasks requirements, and this is you as the task initiator And when someone claims this task, they will become the collaborator. And now this task status is pending, and incentive is 100 M token staking here to be the incentives. And now let's go back to task, publish task, and finish publishing this task. Now I have finished adding this task as daemon, and I will need to activate it. So that's the token I need to stake to activate this task. When I click OK, it will deduct the tokens from my account. So originally it's 7, now it's changed to 69. So it's already deducted. And now the status is pending. So it means it is waiting for someone else to claim this task. So I need to change. Let me change to another account, log in and see the status. So first, now I'm logging in as a team member or other collaborators. I need to first join this test DAC. So when I click join, I will need to select this one and join. Again, here the system will require you to stake. It's the same principle that you are serious. You will put your commitment here. So okay. Okay, so I have joined this DAC, test 1 DAC, and now you have 2 members here. This is me. And I can go to the task list and see, okay, there's a task here, and click here. I can check the requirements, and then go back. When I realize that I can do this, I can claim it. So yes, claim this task. Oh, sorry, this is there's no token left, so try again. Okay, I think it's an internet connection problem. Now the status have changed to in progress. So it means I have claimed these tasks. So in normal process, when I click the claim button, I will assume is a success, and then the status will change to in progress. So I guess there's an internet connection problem. So, but now this status has changed this, and this task also shown in my task list. So I can do this task and submit the deliverables. Let's suppose I have finished this task and put some deliverables here. Or you can also upload some files here. Click submit and submit. Confirm. Hold on. see the status. Let me check this later. It should change to be checked. Maybe still connection problem. Okay. Let me finish this a little later. But the rule here is that when you claim the task and submit the deliverables, and the task publisher or initiator will check your deliverables. And if it is satisfiable, I mean, it satisfies all the requirements, the task initiator will approve this task. So the token will be sent to you. And you can see your account will be added some incentive tokens. And that's the end of the process. So this is the task management. Sorry, it's a connection problem. I think I cannot finish this for now. Then let's go to the knowledge management. Knowledge management is like a decentralized Wikipedia where your team can share your different understandings of some concept, or if you hope to build your knowledge base, you can leverage the community involvement to finish this. I need to log out and log into. Since I'm the initiator of this test DAC, so I'm the one who can add the category. Again, this is a test item 1. Okay. Again, we need you to stake. Okay. So we have this item here, and then you can add more different sub item based on this. So let's say item 1.1, and this for test use. This is some rules that if you hope someone to be the consolidator to consolidate all the knowledge for you, you will need them to stake how much of the tokens, how many of the tokens, and how many tokens they can get. And also, if someone just want to participate to discuss, you can also ask them to stake and how many incentives they can get. So after you set up all these rules, and you will also need stake some tokens to activate it. So okay. Now this is the item, sub item I added, and now everyone can join here. So this is like another tasks to published. So let me change to the community members. Account to log in. So I enter this one and knowledge management. Enter here. now I can choose either I hope to consolidate this item for the community or for this project, or I just want to discuss. Now I'm now choosing discuss first. Remember that I need the initiator regulate some rules that the participants need to stake 20 tokens here. So yeah. So now I can enter it here and say something 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, like as my contribution here. Okay, so this is my contribution here, and other members can discuss afterwards. And so now you can see this item, and if another member choose to be the consolidator, they can consolidate all the discussions and put it in the content here and submit. When he or she decide to submit this content, when she feels is that he or she feels that this item is fully discussed and is good to go, then he or she can submit, and then all the participants can get the incentives. So that is the knowledge management tools for the community collaboration. Now I have demoed most of the functions for you to create your own decentralized company here at my DAC, and then you can join a DAC and allocate task or claim task or participate in the knowledge discussion. Yeah. Elena.
All right. So guys, do you have any questions? Thank you, Kevin, for explaining all this. Tracy, Norbert, do you have, like, is it clear? Do you have any particular questions? Because what we will be doing, we will be scheduling meetings one by one with CryptoChicks Hatchery members and explaining them, creating the DACs for their companies. So we need to be very clear on how to do it.
I guess the only question I have would be with the knowledge management. So
Okay.
Consolidating, I don't understand what that part is for.
Okay, let me try another account to log in and show you how to consolidate. It's just like in the community, there will be a lot of discussions regarding one, let's say one knowledge item, but you will need someone to edit it.
Can I try to explain? So this is like a paid content, right? So something that you learned, like, hard way, and you don't want to kind of distribute to the wide audience, but you want to kind of preserve to the narrow audience, get like paid for it, like reputation wise and everything. So you contribute in this content and everybody likes it. So by the number of likes that you receive, you will get your reputation, and that's how you will get your future earnings from this reputation, by posting the very valuable content. Is that Kevin? That's the idea of the knowledge management, right? So like the paid content.
You contribute, you can earn tokens, you can also earn reputation power, and how many tokens you can get, or how many reputation power you can get, is based on your contribution. So yes, so now I can choose to be the consolidator.
So how we will be using it, from what I see for CryptoChicks Hatchery for now, is to creating tasks for their assignments and
Yes.
tracking their assignments like this through this system. So because they have an assignments that they have to complete, and we assign
Yeah.
them the points.
So
So
you
this is
can, yeah.
basically will be their point system
Mhm.
for this,
Yes.
right? So for now it's just going to be like this. If we see any other, so they might also manage their membership in this way. So let's say if they onboard their members, for example, Go Live platform, or
Mhm.
like women support and coaching platform.
Mhm.
So this platform's supposed to have members because they are membership platforms. So in case of they onboarding, any coaches, any live streaming people, they can also create tasks themselves for these people, and these people can, take on the tasks, complete them, and also get the rewards. So that's so basically also reward system for their memberships.
Yeah.
We will not probably will be using it like this right now, but in the future, this is what it is for as well. So it's for them to manage their organizations, their membership in a decentralized way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all the community members can join, can really participate in this project. Yeah,
So yeah, we
because
will
it's
encourage them to use this tool, to
yeah,
probably maybe onboard their people, like the ones that they interview, the one that they do surveys with, so some rewards that they will get in this regard, so yeah, we can do through that tool.
Okay, I see.
yeah. Norbert, do you have any other questions?
Norbert, you're on mute. If you're talking and we cannot hear you, you're on mute. So just to let you know. I think also Norbert had some difficulty joining, some like internet network issue. Oh, there, he
Yeah.
unmuted. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, I think this network is not very stable. Yeah.
Hey, Norbert, we can hear you now. If you have any questions, you
Okay,
can
yeah.
ask.
So, yeah, my question is the amount of tokens to stake for the activation of tasks. The person that assigns the task sets the amount of token that can be used to activate a particular task.
So it's
Question probably in amount of tokens, like how much they should stake, and like is it anything that defined, or like
right.
because the number of
Is
tokens
this
that you
the
stake?
question?
Yeah, that's my question.
Okay, so actually you can define by yourself. Because this is a test account, so everyone has 10,000 tokens, M token. This is a test token, and you can decide for yourself how many tokens you need to stake to create a DAC. It's just like the physical company. When you register your company with some government office, I know in some countries you also need to stake some deposit into the bank account. So how many deposits you should stake is based on your business aspiration or vision. So you can stake 10 or you can stake 1,000. It's up to you.
And who receives how many tokens from the very beginning? So when I join, like when I would like to join my DAC,
Every account will have.
every
When you
account will
register
have
this,
10,000. Every account, once they register, they have 10,000. It doesn't matter
yes,
if I am the organization or I am an individual, I will have
no,
10,000. No?
because everyone actually, you can see there is a DAC. Every
DAC.
organization is also a DAC. So
Okay.
there's
So every time we register on the system, we consider it a DAC, and but what I'm just where I'm getting at, let's say that I am I would like to register my organization there, right? And I did, but then I joined my members, right? And I have 1,000 members, or I don't know,
Sure.
like, let's say I have 10 members. So each of them, when they join, when they register in Metis protocol, they receive 10,000 tokens.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is a task token, so we can allocate in this way. But
Okay.
in the official one, they will need to buy some tokens at the beginning.
Got
So
it. Okay. So
on the
then
portal page, we will link them to buy the tokens.
to buy the tokens.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
And
So if I, like, let's say that we given this 5 hatchery members, we're given that permission to kind of redeem their test tokens in the future, right? So they receive 10,000 tokens and they will be allowed to redeem five organizations, right? But not their
Yeah.
members.
Not their members.
Not their members. Just the
yeah. I remember last time we talked about it's like 200 for each organization. So
200,
right,
which is
yeah,
2,000,
200.
which is 2,000
Yes,
2,000 US
dollars value. Yeah.
Awesome. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'm also asking Norbert to make a how-to guide. So I think when he finished that, we can use it to, deliver to the project for them to, to use.
Yes, that would be awesome. Okay. Do we have any other questions? Are we good?
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Tracy?
No more questions.
Okay.
Okay.
So then, yeah,
Thank
we
you.
will start working then with people and onboarding them on the platform.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Okay. Great.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Welcome.
Bye. Bye.